And here is the unit circle. The unit circle is that thing that you hear from every kid is some scary, daunting thing. However, it's not, you guys. It is literally a circle which has a radius of 1 unit, hence it being called a unit circle. Super not crazy. So instead of any radius length, it's always going to be 1, which is really nice because all of our ratios are over r, which r is just 1. So sine is equivalent to the y value and cosine is equivalent to the x value within the unit circle. And tangent is still y over x. Go ahead and write those 3 things down. Another thing I like kids to look at is cosine comes before sine in the alphabet. X comes before y in the alphabet. So it goes cosine is related to x, sine is related to y. So the center is always at 0, 0. So you think about it in a graph. These points, this point right here is at 1, 0. This is 0, 1. This is -1, 0. And this is 0, -1 if we were to look at these 4 corner points. We're going to get into more of this unit circle little by little, and in the coming days, you guys are just going to work with learning the unit circle back and forth, but this is your main introduction. It's a circle that has a radius of 1, which is a unit. Therefore, it is a unit circle. All right.